Okay, today we're gonna show you how to clean fresh air purifiers. That would be fresh air 2 and above. That's including fresh air 2, 2.1, 2.2, fresh air 3, 3.1, fresh air black, and all fresh airs that look like this. Okay, so we're gonna turn it around. This is our back cover. We want to remove the back cover. It only has one screw in here. Okay, so all you need is a screwdriver, a Phillips. You take that out. Okay, and then it has three clips, so you want to kind of squeeze it to pull it out. Okay, and then you want to clean around here. It's going to be dusty. Then you got the rear screen, which is the filter. The technology itself is filterless, but this filter is just to protect the technology inside. Okay, so it's all going to be dirty. The optional harsh environment pads that you can purchase go in here. You can take it apart. You can see here on the side. You can I use the same screwdriver to open this up. Okay, here you go. It holds with 4 knobs like this. You take that out and you wash it. 1, 2, and 3. You can wash them, dry them, and then put them back. And then if you got the optional harsh environment pad, the pad goes in here, and then you lock it back in place. Just okay. Just like that. Okay, just make sure it's dry and it's back together and it's clean. You can reuse it. And then we've got the RCI cell. Just take it out very easily to change it, or it's not really, you don't really clean it. Make sure not to use any water on it anyway. So there you go. Okay, there's a light bulb inside, UV bulb, and this matrix has titanium dioxide on it, and when the UV bulb shines on the titanium dioxide, it produces the hydroperoxides, and those really clean your air and surface all around. So it's important to have it working, and make sure it's if it's dirty, just use a brush, dry brush, to brush off some of the dust off of this, and that's it. Make sure not to water it. Now this is the ozone plate, just slides right in, and this one you want to wash with water and the brush. Don't use any soap, it's gonna leave residue, but use water. You can use ammonia, but I just use water and the brush, and make sure it's dry. Okay, if it has burning pipes, if it's burned somewhere, replace it and purchase a new ozone plate. It can have burns because the way ozone is produced is about 5,000 volts are being applied on it to produce a little thunderstorm, and that's gonna create your ozone from O2 molecules, so it's gonna make your O3 molecules, and those are very good at killing all the viruses and bacteria and germs and all of that. Okay, so you just wanna all you need is rubbing alcohol and paper towels. That's what I use. Rubbing alcohol and paper towels, nothing else. That's all you need to clean around here. Anywhere here you can clean these metal parts that touch the ozone plate, and then when it's fully dry, you just slide it back in all the way. and you put back the RCI cell, plug it back in, okay, make sure it's tight, and then screw these two right back on there, okay, and now the rear screen, insert it just like this, okay, and tighten it back. You can use it, you don't even need a screwdriver for that, okay, just like that. Okay, and then click the back screen, the rear cover back in, and the final screw goes right back in there. And that's it. Now you want to turn it around, and you have 4 screws holding the front grille. You want to remove the 4 screws. You might want to wipe here with brush, paper towels, and rubbing alcohol. So you need 4 things: screwdriver, brush, paper towels, and rubbing alcohol. Okay, so here you have a needle that produces your ions, okay, and you want to clean that too. So to clean it, we need to remove the front grille just like that, wipe it clean with rubbing alcohol, paper towel and the rubbing alcohol, the needle, so it's clean. And then you want to wipe all around here and wipe the fan blades. Okay, you can even wipe them in the back, in the front, in the back, in the middle, spin it, wipe around here with paper towels and the rubbing alcohol, and you are done. That's it. Now you just put this back in, screw it back in, and that's all. There you go. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and hope you have an easy time with it now.